Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel RS Computer Solutions. In this tutorial, I will show you guys how to add or remove desktop icons in Windows 11. Right-click on the desktop and select Personalize from the context menu. In the Settings window, choose Themes from the left sidebar. And click Desktop Icon Settings under the Related Settings section. In the Desktop Icon Settings window, check the boxes next to the icons you want to add. Click Apply and then OK. Show your selected items on the desktop. To remove an icon, uncheck the box for the corresponding item. Click Apply and then OK. If this guide helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you want more tutorials like this, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.